Why use overgrips on tennis rackets? Is there any benefit? Stay tuned and find out. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to be going over overgrips on tennis rackets and why you should be considering them if you're not already. With tennis rackets, there are two types of grips: replacement grips and overgrips. Replacement grips are the thicker grip that come pre-installed on tennis rackets and are the first layer between your hand and the plastic lining of the grip. You can also certainly play tennis with replacement overgrips alone, but you have to consider that they tend to lose their tackiness and cushion over time, just as any grip does. However, replacement grips are harder to install and are more expensive than overgrips. In comparison, we have overgrips, and they're far thinner than replacement grips, and most times are used on top of the replacement grip. They typically come in far more different colors and variations, and are much easier to install and more portable since they're a lot thinner. Typically, people in the world of tennis tend to keep their original replacement grip for the entire life cycle of their racket. Or if they replace it, they tend to replace it with a leather grip in order to do two major things: increase the weight of the racket in the handle, making the racket more head light, while also decreasing the cushion of the grip, assuming that the racket didn't already come with a leather grip. And they do that in order to get a more crispy response from the racket. You see, when playing tennis, you get information from the racket through the feel of your grip. That feel is enhanced when you have a more direct connection with the racket, meaning a leather grip rather than a standard cushion grip. To me, I've tried leather grips, but my preference is sticking with the original replacement grip, which is usually a cushion grip. Only certain rackets do have a pre-installed leather grip that comes stock, such as Wilson Pro Staff RF97, for example. Then on top of the replacement grip, I personally add 1 to 2 overgrips. Now, if you want to get the details on the proper way to install an overgrip, or which overgrips are best for you, or the best value you can get on overgrips, I'll have linked to each video down below in the description of this video for you guys. Well, this is one of the shortest videos I have on my channel, but I made it more to the point so that I can save you time. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if so, please remember to hit that like button down below so more people can actually find this video. Let me know if you have any further questions down below in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.